Silicone rollers play a crucial role in industrial production by enhancing efficiency, protecting the surface quality of processed materials, and meeting specific process requirements. Characteristics of silicone rollers: high breathability. Compared to other materials, silicone rubber exhibits excellent breathability. The air permeability of silicone rubber is several times higher than natural rubber, for gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide at room temperature. Additionally, the silicone layer on the surface of the silicone roller varies in breathability for different gases. Wide temperature resistance. Silicone rubber rollers can operate within a temperature range of -100 degrees C to 350 degrees C without cracking, ensuring seamless performance in both high and low temperature environments. Superior ozone and aging resistance. Ozone can rapidly oxidize organic elastomers, accelerating their aging process. The outstanding ozone resistance of silicone rollers extends their service life significantly. Non-adhesiveness. The unique non-stick properties of silicone rubber rollers prevent many materials from adhering to the roller surface, facilitating material isolation and minimizing impurity accumulation, thereby reducing cleaning costs. Electrical insulation. Even in humid, temperature fluctuating environments, silicone rubber rollers maintain excellent electrical insulation properties, making them ideal for applications that require electrical insulation. Additionally, silicone rubber rollers offer other advantages such as thermal conductivity, acid and alkali resistance, and wear resistance. Applications of silicone rollers. Silicone rollers are widely used in industrial fields such as printing, coating, electronics, textiles, and plastics, and are often used to convey, flatten, grip conduct, or protect materials. In the printing industry, silicone rollers can be used in conjunction with printing equipment to achieve printing, drying, cooling, and cover processing of the printing media, thereby ensuring printing quality. In the coating industry, silicone rollers can provide good coating effects and smoothness for coating materials, thus improving the quality of coating. Silicone rollers have good elasticity and adhesion, which can effectively improve work efficiency and protect the surface quality of processed materials. At the same time, silicone rollers can also resist the erosion of chemical agents and high temperatures and have a long service life. Thank you for watching.